Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a portfolio on Google Docs. Portfolios can be crucial for showcasing your work, whether you're a designer, writer, or any other professional. They offer a snapshot of your skills and accomplishments, making it important to present them in a clean, organized, and professional manner. Google Docs is a fantastic tool for this purpose because it's free, easy to use, and provides seamless sharing capabilities. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to create a professional portfolio that's not just easy to update, but also to share and present to potential employers or clients. Let's dive right into it. Begin by opening Google Docs. You have two main options here. You can either start with a blank document or choose from a selection of templates. Templates can be a quick way to get started, as they come with built-in layouts. This can save you time, but if you prefer to have full creative control, a blank page might be the way to go. If you do pick a template, remember to personalize it by adjusting fonts and colors to align with your personal brand. Now, let's start by crafting a simple yet effective cover page. This includes your name prominently displayed, and you could add a professional title or your area of expertise. It's also essential to include contact details, which might be a professional email address and a link to your portfolio website or LinkedIn profile. The key here is to keep the cover page uncluttered. Ensure it's centered and balanced, with plenty of spacing for a clean look. Next, you'll want to structure your portfolio using headings. Use Heading 1 for major sections like About Me, Skills, Projects, and Experience. If you need to add more detailed subsections, use Heading 2. These headings do more than just organize your document visually. They also make it easier to navigate using Google Docs' built-in tools, which I'll explain how to activate shortly. Now, let's fill out each section with meaningful content. In the About Me section, provide a brief summary that emphasizes your strengths and interests. When listing your skills, group similar abilities together and keep it concise to avoid overwhelming readers with lengthy paragraphs. For the Projects and Experience sections, focus on impact. Start by naming the project or role. Mention the tools or technologies you used, and describe the outcomes or results in a sentence or two. To make your portfolio more engaging, consider including visuals. You can insert images, links, or tables to showcase your work. Use the Insert menu to add images of your projects, and be sure to resize them so they complement the page without dominating it. Adding captions and considering alt text can enhance clarity. For adding links, highlight the desired text to keep your document looking tidy. Tables can also be effective for listing projects, with columns for titles, roles, tools, and results. To improve document navigation, turn on the outline view by clicking View and selecting Show Outline. This feature creates a sidebar with your headings, allowing you to quickly jump between sections and verify your structure at a glance. Consistency in formatting is crucial for a polished look. Set your Heading 1 and Heading 2 styles and apply them consistently throughout the document. Use uniform fonts, sizes, and colors to maintain a professional appearance. Instead of inserting multiple empty lines, adjust spacing via the Format menu for a neat, readable layout. When you're ready to share your portfolio, click Share and set the access level to Viewer to ensure others can view but not edit your document. For a polished finish, you might want to download your portfolio as a PDF, which can be done by going to File, then Download, and choosing PDF. This format ensures compatibility across different devices and platforms. Before sending it out, preview the PDF and check it on a mobile device to make sure everything appears as expected. And there you have it, your Google Docs portfolio. It's simple, well organized, and ready to showcase your best work to the world. Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to make a portfolio on Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to make a portfolio on Google Docs,